Unlike many martial arts that employ an arsenal of kicking techniques, Muay Thai relies on a very limited set of kicks. From there, it's about mastering the technique, timing, balance, power, speed, and so on. Then you can use these weapons to be very effective at striking. It's like Bruce Lee said, "I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once. I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." So what is the most effective and important kick in the very low inventory of kicks used in Muay Thai? All right, so we're explaining why the switch kick is the most important kick in Muay Thai, all right? So if we're facing each other, okay, then his foundation is lead foot, rear foot, okay? If I push him, then he can go this way, but, stand? If I push him this way, then he goes into that leg. His weight shifts into that back leg. So he's stronger this way. If I throw my rear kick, it can be effective, but he can stand his ground. If I throw my my switch kick, I can move him because he only has this leg. Whereas over here, he has this leg and this leg when I'm kicking on this side to stay strong. When I kick on this side, you can knock him off balance. That's just one of the benefits, okay? This is a closed side. So this side of his body is closed off. This side of his body is wide open, okay? So if we were sparring, or if we're fighting, right? It's easier for him to protect this side. Go ahead and dust block on this side. So if I kick here, he can bring reinforcement from the rear to the front and shift all his weight into this leg. So that's blocking as well as his feet reinforcing his balance. So he's just very stable. Okay? Yes, the outside leg kick is effective because, again, you can chop down on it. But again, you see how he sits his weight down? Okay? Now, if I throw an inside leg kick, I can knock him off balance, right? Here, right? Or you just step in hard, because it's only that post. I'm not kicking this leg into that post, which is what you're doing on an outside kick. So the leg kick is effective. And then these inside trips, become very effective as well. If I tried to go this side, again, I'd have to go through both legs. This is why if I wanted to trip the back leg, give me this leg, sorry, lead leg, I'd have to have this leg in some way to trip out the back leg, or go ahead and pick your leg up like you're checking, or I'd have to go underneath to get the back leg, okay? Now, kicking to the body, we already talked about that. He can block. For the head, he can lean. Go ahead, do it again. For the head, he can lean, right? And it goes across his shield. But here, his body's open, okay? So we switch kick, he's wide open for that. Even if he blocks, he's got to bring this across. It's still going to generate a lot of power. For the head, if I switch kick to the head, even if he leans, go ahead and lean out for me. Switch kick to the head, right? He has to lean a bit further if you noticed. Again, because his body is wide open. Another thing when they throw their punches, right? You can switch kick and really kill the ribs. So that's ultimately why the switch kick is very powerful or very important in Muay Thai. Throw your jab, right? Hey, throw your cross. Hey, it's all going to get under into this part of the body. And when that hits, that drops people. I seriously have dropped more people with kicks to the body than to the head. So if let's say he jabs and I kick the other side, jab, and I throw rear to the body. It lands here. It's uncomfortable, but there's a lot of muscle on his lats back here. It's not as clean. He'll feel it, but this is across his body. Okay, so again, when we switch kick, it's across his whole body. To the head, go ahead and block to the head. Again, even if he blocks it, you see it's knocking him off balance. Block this side. It doesn't knock him off balance. So the switch kick attacks the open part of the body. And it puts him off balance because he only has this leg to post. Okay? As opposed to knocking him this way and he has both legs. So that is why the switch kick is not only important but powerful. So you should always make sure that your switch kick is powerful and fast, because it's telegraphed. He can see my feet. So you have to be clever with it. It's good to attack when they punch, right? Boom. And try to attack in those moments, or you here, right? And get your kick up. But consider, again, tightening up your switch kick and making that the kick that you're best at, okay? Right? So to avoid a switch kick, I'd have to circle this way to his power hand. So if he's trying to avoid my switch kick, he'd have to circle to his left, into my power side. Circle this way into my power side, right? So again, I'm going to switch kick. Now he doesn't like that. He's going to start shuffling to avoid a switch kick, and he circles into that, he circles into that power side. Circle, 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 boom, right? Circle, 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 boom. And then you make more impact with your outside leg kick. But he's never going to fully avoid that switch kick, because even if he circles, right? As soon as you cut him off here, again, the body's always going to stay open. So that is why, again, sharpen your switch kick, because that is that is the most important kick you have in your arsenal. Okay guys, so to end the video, I want to say that be sure that you tighten up your switch kick. You know, I hope you understand the importance after watching the video of having a really good switch kick. If you haven't considered the importance and significance of having a strong switch kick in your arsenal, I hope this video helped you. And I hope you get to training and applying the technique. As always, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.